Let's talk a bit about indoor air quality. Indoor air quality products is an excellent add-on for air duct cleaning, where you can sell the consumer or end user products that can help increase the quality of the air they're breathing. This can be anywhere from easy stand-up units to whole house systems where you're actually redoing sheet metal and installing them. The large ones are the most profitable, and if you're willing to learn how to bend up sheet metal and invest in the proper tools, you can really go a long way with that. We really got into that and have sold several hundred systems where we're actually redoing part of the ductwork and installing these whole house systems. These things vary from $1,500 to $10,000 installed depending on what system it is and what it does. We're a dealer for several companies. One is IQ Air, which is one of the leading companies for indoor air quality products. We also have sold Ultravation. Lint Alert is another company that we resell for, which is for systems dealing with telling you when your dryer vent is clogged up. We'll talk about that more when we get to that section. This particular product that you're seeing here is a product put out by IQ Air, and it is a laser particle counter. Great product for helping you with sales and seeing what you're doing for a customer. Many products nowadays, although I do believe in how some of them work, be it ultraviolet light or photocatalytic oxidation, it's extremely hard to measure it, which sometimes you can appear you're selling snake oil because it's just a matter of whether they feel like it did better. The great part about a particle counter and using the IQ Air products is you can show them what they're buying. So this particular meter here measures air at 0.3 microns. If I remember this properly, that's about 200 times smaller than a human hair. One of the base model was called the Perfect 16, which is a system you can install into their return system. They start about $3,000, and they guarantee to reduce the particle count in the house 90% within 1 hour. I have probably put in 30 or 40 of these systems, and every one of them have done it. They're amazing systems. They also have a bypass HEPA filter system that uses a reverse incline fan motor, and we put one of those in a system, and it pulled the house, literally pulled the air, coming out of the supplies down to zero, and we started with 25 million. So I'm going to give you show you kind of what this particular product does. This counter here it's about a $2,000 investment, and you can put this little tube on so it collects it. Hold the button here, it'll turn it on. Hits on standby. We're going to hit sample, and this is going to draw the first sample, and it's going to give us a new reading every 6 seconds once it starts drawing. Now you also see behind here there's a kit for calibrating this thing. There are several cords for hooking to the computer. So right now this is showing 363,000, 380,000. It's sucking in air and it's measuring particulate, and it's telling us how many particulate at 200 times smaller than a human hair are in the air right now in my shop. The beauty of this is you could show this to a customer, install one of these systems, and when you're done, this will reduce by over 90%. Just amazing tools. You can show people what you're paying for. So I'm going to stop the sample right here. Just been a great investment. Very much helps you sell these products, and I feel confident about these products. They aren't snake oil. They're awesome products that do what they're supposed to do. The other nice thing is you'll see we have some computer cords here. Ethernet cords. This also comes with software, and you can take several readings and hook this up to your computer, and then the software, you can actually create a graph. You could leave this in a house overnight if you wanted to, and you could see maybe if there's certain times of the day it peaks, so you can, if you have a family with severe problems, you can try to help them figure out what's going on, or provide them with a chart or a graph. Maybe an insurance company wants something like this. This allows you to do all that, and comes in this great handy carrying case. I would recommend this for anybody that wants to sell indoor air quality products. It's been an amazing tool. It'll pay for itself in the first couple of sales, as there's a really good margin on most of these things, 100% to 200%.